Hi, it's Dave at Barefoot Bushcraft. We have shown you a number of knots for the beginning stages of your tarp system for tying off a ridgeline. And again, they're all great knots, but sometimes you just might not remember them. You might not have enough rope. So I've learned these from guys like Corporal's Corners, the gray bearded Green Beret, Pathfinder School. It just makes a lot of sense to have a bowline already on the end of your ridgeline. That way, when you get to camp, it really doesn't take a whole lot of work to get your ridgeline going. So this just stays on your knot or on your ridgeline. You come through, grab a loop, put a toggle through. We're done. That's it. As long as you have a loop, whether it's a figure eight loop, whether it's a whatever, it doesn't matter. You have that loop already at the beginning. Just wrap it around the tree, get a loop, grab a stick, or a toggle. Let's be clear on the terminology. And now we can run our ridgeline. Okay, when we're finished, when we're packing up camp, I'm not worried about if I've made the knot incorrectly. I have to get a knife, I have to get some help, whatever. Take that done, I'm done. Okay? Thanks for joining us. See you next time.